Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball with your math lesson for today. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, our standard is 1 NBT4. Add within 100, including adding a two-digit number and a one-digit number, and adding a two-digit number and a multiple of 10 using concrete models or drawings and strategies based on place value, properties of operations, and or the relationship between addition and subtraction. Relate the strategy to a written method and explain the reasoning used. Understand that in adding two-digit numbers, one adds tens and tens, ones and ones, and sometimes it is necessary to compose a 10. Our essential question is, what strategies can you use to add or subtract? Our I can statement is I can use place value to add, and we're going to review Go Math Lesson 8.9, and we're actually going to review assignment P167 in your Go Math Standards Practice book. And this is what it looks like. And so we're going to be adding or subtracting. So we have a few strategies that we can use. And this is where our place value comes into place. So we'll do the first five together. 20 plus 20. Now there are two things that I see that we can do. If we have some scratch paper, we can draw it. 10, 20, 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40. And that's great. However, there is another way where you will use our place value. I have my line, ones, tens. When you add or subtract, you always start in your ones place. So what is 0 plus 0? If I have nothing and I add nothing to it, I still have nothing. And what is 2 plus 2? 4. Look at that. It's still 40. All right, let's look at number 2, 90 minus 30. Again, I'll show us one way and then the other way. I can make 90, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And then I'm going to take away 30. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. All right, now let me show you this one. 0 minus 0, 0. If I have 9 and I take 3 away, I will have 6. So my answer is 60. The difference is 60. All right, 52 plus 4. Now, one thing I could do, I could count on. I can put 52 in my head and I can add 4. 52 is here, 53, 54, 55, 56. So my sum would be 56. Or I could do this. All right, 2 plus 4 is 6. I have 5, but I don't have anything right there, so I'm going to pretend that's a 0. And so it would be 56. Okay, let's do another. 62 plus 21. Now remember, when you add or subtract, you always start in your ones place. So what is 2 plus 1? Those are my numbers in my ones place. 2 plus 1 is 3, and 6 plus 2 is 8. So your sum is 83. And let's do number 5. Number 5, 39 minus 10. I have 9 in my ones place, and I'm going to take away 0. So 9 minus 0 is 9. Didn't take any away. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So your difference is 29. Okay? So you're going to add or subtract. Please pay attention to the sign. If you have this sign, that means add. Your number's going to get bigger. If you see This sign, that is a minus sign, you're going to subtract. Your number is going to get smaller. Okay? Now, number 7 on your assignment will be completed for you because that is a strategy that we have not done yet. But the rest, I think and I know that you can do it on your own. When you get to number 15, solve it. You can write or you can draw to explain your thinking. So I'll read it and I'll tell you what I'm thinking. Andrew read 17 pages of his book before dinner. He read 9 more pages after dinner. How many pages did he read? Well, I can put 17 in my head and then I can add on 9. So 17's up here, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay? So you put 17 in your head, you can add 9, you can draw it, whatever it is that you need to do in order to get that answer. But that is a way. Or you could use some quick tens. Remember, the lines are your tens and the circles are your ones. So there are plenty of ways for you to solve this problem. You just use the one that's best for you. So I look forward to you completing this assignment and I will see you next time.